Anytime you need to install conduit perpendicular to a piece of unistrut, call on Garvin for strut straps. Part number STR50 through STR400 are made for threaded rigid conduit anytime it needs to be installed against a piece of unistrut. This particular model, we're going to install a 3/4 inch rigid strut strap. The way this product works is you simply clamp it together, placing the bolt and the nut at the top nice and loose. You then insert it inside of the strut channel and you twist it so that the T-slot aligns with the ridges on the unistrut channel. Once it's in place, you then can spread it out and wait to accept your rigid conduit. Simply lift it up and slide through the rigid conduit and then quickly tighten it down with your screwdriver, securing the nut and bolt. When you do this, it's going to bring together the two sides, clamp tightly on the conduit, and give you a tight, secure install as your conduit runs across the strut, securing it to a wall or overhead in the ceiling. These particular strut straps come in 1/2 inch size, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1.25 inch, 1.5 inch, 2 inch, 2.5, 3 inch, 3.5 inch, and 4 inch sizes. They're zinc plated for great corrosion protection in just about any setting, and they're made from rugged, hot dip galvanized steel. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.